When repairing furnace units, it can be challenging to keep your furnace components and work environment safe from fire or heat damage. LACO's CoolGel gives you the confidence you need to repair the system without harm to any vital components in your work environment. CoolGel acts as a protective barrier, absorbing the extreme heat during the brazing process. To use CoolGel, thoroughly shake the bottle. Open the nozzle of the bottle and liberally spray the product on all of the areas near where you will be using your torch. CoolGel will not run or drip off of the surfaces where it is applied. As the flame comes in contact with areas covered in CoolGel, the gel safely evaporates. It will protect the system and vital components from breaking down due to any excessive heat transfer. When you are finished brazing, you can easily wipe CoolGel off the surfaces. It is safe to leave the gel on the unit and surfaces in places you cannot reach. It will evaporate in 24 to 48 hours depending on the amount applied, leaving no residue. For more information about CoolGel, visit our website at laco.com.